Hello students, this is Shantanu sir, and today we will discuss about the most expected MCQ question from the chapter Relation and Function. So in this class we will discuss about the most 40 important question, and always the important question will be MCQ with full discussion for class 12 students as well as JEE students. For your upcoming exam, this video will be the most crucial video for you. So without wasting your time, just start today's class. Here is the first question, question number 1. If set A 1, 2 and set B A, B, then Cartesian product of set A and set B is given by. Here is some option and you have to choose the option. So A cross B, that will be 1, A, 1, A, next 1, B. So at first 1, A, then it will be 1, B. So 1, where is, there is the only one option, 1, A, 1, B, and other all options start from A. So our correct answer will be only option A. Understood everyone? Now goes to next question. In question number 2. Here is the question number 2. If the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3, 4 given by R is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4, 2, then the domain set of R given by, here is the some option, and what is the dimension? Domain set always make up with the first element. So here is the first element 1, 1, so 1, next here is also 1, so first element will be 1 and next element will be 3 because it start from others point 3, 3, so 1, 3 and last element will be 4. So here will be only 3 element 1, 3 and 4. So our answer will be only option A. Understood everyone? Now goes to next question. In question number 3, here is the question number 3. The relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 is option A reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. So we have to check the option. So here is the set relation R. So reflexive. Reflexive means always A, A belongs to R, and here the set is reflexive, R is reflexive. Now we have to check symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric? Symmetric meaning will be A, B if belongs to R, then B, A always should be belongs to R. But here 1, 2 belongs to R, but there is no element 2, 1 in the set R. So this set is not a symmetric. Okay. Now check transitive. What is the meaning of transitive? The meaning of transitive will be if A, B, C belongs to R, then think that here is two element. First 1, 2 belongs to R. Next take another element 2, 3. 2, 3 also belongs to R. So 1, 3 should be belongs to R. Is there any element 1, 3? No. So 1, 3 not belongs to in the set R. So this set is not transitive. So this set only reflexive, neither transitive not symmetric. Understood everyone? So our answer will be our answer will be only option number A. Option number A. Understood everyone? Now goes to next question. In question number 4, here is the question number 4. Here is the question number 4. Let T be the set of all triangles in a plane. So T be the set of all triangle in a plane with R with the relation in T given by R T1 T2. T1 is congruent to T2, then R is. We have to check. R is reflexive because every triangle is congruent to itself. Okay. Now as well as this is a congruent, so if T1 and T2 belongs to R, then always T2 comma T1 should be belongs to R. So this is a symmetric. Now if T1 T2 belongs to R, then also T1 T3 should belongs to R. So this function is a also transitive function. So if the function all are both reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then this function is called equivalent function. So our option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Now goes to the next question. In question number 5. Here is the question number 5. The relation R defined in the set A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 by R is equal to A comma B. Both A and B are either odd or even, then R is. A, B, both A or B either odd or even. So take any element A. In A, both A and A must be either odd or even. So A comma A belongs to R. Okay. Now it's a reflexive function clearly. Now if I take A comma B, if I take A comma B belongs to R, because A is a odd and B is a even, then B comma A also belongs to R. B comma A, it's also belongs to R. Then the function symmetric. Now you easily can say the function is transitive. So this function again a equivalence relation. Understood everyone? Now goes to another question, question number 6. Here is the question number 6. Let R be any relation in the set A of human being in a town at a particular time if R is equal to x comma y, such that x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. So x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. That's mean x greater by y. Okay. How much greater? 7 centimeter greater. Now then R is, we have to check symmetric, reflexive or transitive, anything. So here x is a exactly 7 centimeter taller. That's mean R is not reflexive because x is not greater than by x. So R is cannot be a reflexive function. So here is option number B is not correct. Option number C is symmetric, we have to check. So option number D also not correct because this function is not reflexive. So this function cannot be an equivalent relation. So you have to check now symmetric. For symmetric, if Now x is 7 centimeter taller than y. So we can't say y is also 7 centimeter taller by x, and it's not possible. So this function is not symmetric. So only option A our correct answer. Understood everyone? Now goes to question number 7. Here is the question number 7. The relation are defined in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to xy such that y is divided by x. So y is divided by x. Now we have to check reflexive. So x is always, if we take only one element x, then x is always divided by x. So this is reflexive. Now we have to check symmetric. If we take the two function 2 and 4, then always 4 is divided by 2, but if we take 4 comma 2, then 2 is not divided by 4. So this function is not symmetric. So here is not symmetric. So reflexive but not symmetric. So option number B is already cut out. So option number C also cut out. Now we have to check transitive. If we check take 2.24, so 2 is divisible by take 3.13 and 6. Okay, if we take 3 points, then just a minute, 1 comma 3, then always it's 3 divided by 1. Now take 3 and 6, again it's divisible by 3. Now take 1 and 6, so again it's divisible by 1. So it's a transitive, so only not symmetric. So only option A is the correct answer. Okay, so option A is the only correct answer. Now goes to next question. In question number 8, here is the question number 8. The relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 up to 13, 14 defined as R is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0 is. Now we have to check. So take any element, at first check reflexive. Okay, so take any element x, 2 element x comma x, we have to check belongs to R. So put here 3x minus x and it's 2x, so it's not equal to 0. So thus this function is not reflexive, so option A incorrect. Okay, now we have to check symmetric. Now take 2 element x comma y belongs to R. If I take 2 element x comma y belongs to R, then 3x minus y equal to 0, then we have to prove 3y minus x equal to 0, but it's not possible. So this function not symmetric. So only transitive left. Now we have to check transitive. So again take 3 point now. So already reflexive and symmetric cut out. Now we have to check 3.4. So x and y, this function is true, and take another 2 point y comma z, and for y comma z 3y minus z equal to 0. So from these two function we have to prove 3x minus z equal to 0, but it's not possible. So this function is also not transitive. So our option only left, only one option left, it's D, none of this. So our final option will be none of this. Understood everyone? Now goes to next question. In question number 9, here is the question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. The relation R in the set of natural number n defined as R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4 is, we have to check again. So at first take a point x comma x equal to x plus 5. It's not possible, so this function is not reflexive. Okay, now check symmetric. X equal to y is equal to x plus 5, but we can't say x is equal to y plus 5. So again this function not a symmetric function. Now we have to check for three values, y is equal to x plus 5 and take another value yz, then it should be z is equal to y plus 5. So from these two function we have to prove z is equal to x plus 5. So put this value here. So we can say that z is equal to x plus 10 and it's possible. So this function is only transitive function. Okay, now goes to another question, and this is the last question for part 1 video, and again we will be back for the next video quickly because we have to complete 40 questions from this chapter. Now question number 10. The relation R in the set of natural number n defined as R is equal to x comma y where x greater than y is an equivalent. Similarly we have to check at first reflexive, x greater than x. It's possible, x greater than x. It's not possible, so this function is not reflexive. Is there any? So option number A is cut out at first. Now reflexive, only one option is here. This function also given reflexive, here is also given reflexive, but our answer is not reflexive. So only answer option number D is left. So don't need to solve this question because we get our answer and this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now just try to all 10 questions at your home, then you can solve easily. Okay, if have you any problem, then ask me some question by comment or WhatsApp, by anything. Now we will be back after some time for our part 2 video of this chapter. Okay, bye everyone.